everybody. Thanks for coming back. Welcome back to the channel. Good to see you coming on back. We got some important business today to look at. We are going to check out, do an unboxing of my latest big vinyl purchase. That is Woodstock 50 on vinyl, this giant box. We're going to open this up, take a look at what's inside. 5 discs of vinyl in this thing. What can I say about Woodstock? I've been fascinated by Woodstock forever. I don't know. Is it the amount of performers that were there? The amount of people that said they were there? The amount of people that were there? The colors, the stories. It's just fascinated me forever. You know, I've collected Woodstock stuff forever. You guys who watch the vinyl show, you guys have seen me pull out my Woodstock stuff here. Got the first album on vinyl. Had this one forever. Can't go wrong with that. You got to get that one. There's the back. And then I ended up sometime later getting Woodstock 2, which added more performances by other artists. You know, that's part of the story I love about Woodstock. You got these artists too that refuse to take part in the movie, and then, you know, years of regret for not being part of the movie. I just drop everything and everything breaks. It's just vinyl records, right? They can handle breaking. Of course, bought CDs over the years. There's the Woodstock 1 reissue on CD. Get a nice little booklet. So that's always neat. Not much of a booklet for the CD version, by the way. I'm sure they came out with another. I don't know what year this particular release came from. I'm sure they did a better job on CD than this one at some point. It's weird. It's not. There must have been a slipcover on here. And of course, I did a video of Woodstock, the Blu-ray edition right here. You can find that on this channel because this is the version to get. This is the director's cut 40th anniversary. Until we get a 4K version, this is the one that has all of the extras compiled onto one. There's so many different versions on Blu-ray and DVD. You got to be careful which one you're picking out. But this is the one that seems to have all the extras piled on there for you. Director's Cut 40th anniversary. So, what can I say about this? This was an impulse buy. I had it sitting on my, my save and compare list. My save it for later on Amazon list forever. Yeah, I purchased this from Amazon. And I waited and waited to see if it would come down in price. It did drop, I think, 25% or something. And I'm working in the middle of the night, just cruising through Amazon, and that's the worst time, because they'll get you. They'll get you middle of the night looking at Amazon. So I'm like, oh, it's never going to be cheaper than that. And I just jumped on it and purchased it. Of course, with tax, this thing still came to around $100. But for 5 pieces of vinyl, $100, and then I'm, consider in my head, okay, if I went in for a record store day, how much would I spend for a record store day album? That would come out to like $100 for like a double, and then that. And I just say go, and I say, piss on it. It'll be cool when it comes in the mail. And sure enough, here it is in the mail. So what we are going to do is we are going to switch to the overhead camera and take a look at what goodies are inside this giant box. Whoa. Whoa. Jeez. Something happened back there. This stuff's all falling apart. What can you do? Anyways, stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, hit the like, and let's open this box and see what's inside. Thanks, everybody. Let's go. Okay, so here it is. Finally going to open this thing up. I'm just trying to figure out a way. I would love to open it up here, but keep the plastic on, because it's got this great sticker here. Love that sticker, which is on the plastic. we have a seam. Maybe I can do a nice cut along the seam here. You got the seam here, and I have to be an artisan with my knife, but here is covered up by the slip sheet. So maybe I cut and then take that out, and then maybe, I don't know. Let's just try. Let's do our best. Okay, now we're somewhere. So I can't get the back cut right now because I got to take the slip sheet out. This gives me access to that. Yeah, I watched this unboxing video. This guy took 40 minutes to take the plastic off. It was real exciting. There's the sheet. It curled around the bottom. Lucky it came off that easy. 2019. Okay, so we saved that. Definitely want to keep that. And then, ooh, see, that's got, the seam is papered over on this end, so I can't really use that crease as a guide for the knife, so I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I'll have to take scissors to it very gently, but you guys don't need to watch that. We want to see what's inside. Let's get rid of this worst knife ever. Oh, nice. Nice presentation there. We got a booklet, which is separated from the vinyl sleeves. It's sitting in its own, I can't see, sitting in its own little holster there, the book is. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, let's take the stuff out. Book. We'll go through that a little bit closer. And then you got each piece of vinyl has a nice individual sleeve. Oh, this is excellent. So you have the slip cover, slip case, vinyl covering. And then you actually have the real vinyl sleeve protecting the record inside here, which looks really good. So yeah, 50th anniversary is what we're looking at here. The 5-discer. That's nice. They could have just shoved the record in here and made this the sleeve, but it's nice they took the extra step and gave you an outer sleeve. That's what this one looks like. Got Grateful Dead's Dark Star on there. Canned Heat. It's a couple of big bands. There's that big Dark Star. Woo! Almost the whole side. Got your Janus on here, the Sly Family Stone medleys on the other side. Take a quick peek. Look at that. Whoa. One big old giant band there. Obviously, the artist accompanies what sleeve it is. You got Janice and Sly right there. We got on here, we got The Who, Joe Cocker, Jefferson Airplane, same thing. And the last one. Crosby, Stills, Nash. What else is on here? The Band. Blood, Sweat, and Tears. Unfortunately, Shauna, no. Just slight variants on each label, color-wise. That's it. No codes, no artwork inside, nothing hiding in there, no Easter eggs. Okay, some people don't like to go crazy with the extras, that's fine. And then we got the booklet here. Should we take a closer look at that while we're here? Got some nice art there. Got some naked. Always approve of nudity on this channel in certain context. We got some Richie Havens there kicking things off. Stage, which they discovered the stage years later. They had used it to build a shed or something, and the owner broke apart the shed and started selling cutouts of the official stage to go along with the 50th anniversary cash-in. I mean, I don't fault them for doing that. It's a good idea. Fogerty. Young Fogerty. Canned Heat. You can go up on stage and bum smoke from that guy. No problem. No problem whatsoever. Janice. Who. Joe Cocker. Film crew. Pictures are really well presented in this book. Very good quality. Now it looks like they're going day by day what happened chronologically through the book, which is neat. I like that idea. You got Joni. Look at that crowd. Crazy. Crazy. Day 2, Santana. John Sebastian. I see you, Jerry. Country Joe. I love my Country Joe. Whoop. A little bit of Who action. Some major tassels on that performance. Pete with his SG that he threw in the crowd at the end of the performance. I've looked up what happened to that guitar. I still can't find out whatever happened to that guitar Pete threw into the audience. There's got to be a better story than it just being trampled into the dirt. Surely someone picked it up. Behind the scenes action. Crew. Well, that's neat. There he is, Max Yaziger. And we got a breakdown of what's on each record. Credits, the important credits. Well, there we have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the vinyl unboxing of the Woodstock 50th anniversary collection on vinyl. I finally get to start playing these out, see how they compare to the original record releases. They gotta be better. They gotta be cleaned up, I would assume. That's how they sold them. Remastered, re-edited, cleaned up, put together beautifully. So we'll see. Don't forget, if you wanted this, if you want every single moment of Woodstock, it was available on CD. Probably find it on the dark web if you just want to, for curiosity's sakes, listen to it. Every single recorded moment is available nowadays that came out with this 50th anniversary. They certainly pulled out all the stops for it. So if you're interested, look that up. Anyways, I want to thank you guys so much for coming on by and checking out this unboxing video of a recording that's very special to me. Thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button on the channel and hit the bell. We have lots more exciting stuff going on. If you like the vinyl stuff, we of course have the vinyl show every week where it's a live chat. You can call in and say hello. And more live music on the channel. All the fun stuff you're used to. Hit the bell, hit the subscribe. Don't forget the like button too, why not? And we'll see you next time. Thanks everybody.